me we have a 2019 X3M that came in for a full frontal PPF. We also removed the 2 front wheels that were sent off for refurbishment, and then the vehicle got a host of our other goodies. Walk around and come and have a look at what we've done. So on the front end, we've done PPF, hydrophobic PPF, self-healing, everything. On the badges, we've got our overlay kit. That's a full DIY kit available to you guys. On the interior, we've got our core kit, which is an overlay core kit that we have available. On the interior there, we've also got the X kit. You can see that on the rear here as you come about. And then on the rear here, check on the wheels, all the badges are done. This is a quick overlay kit, and on the badges here. So the vehicle came into us late last week. Took us about 2 or 3 days to turn around. So yeah, thanks guys.